customer orders his steak rare, what would be an appropriate cook temperature? A. 160. B. 125. C. 135. D. 180. The correct answer is C. 135. The minimum safe temperature of cooked food is 135 degrees Fahrenheit. While a cooked temperature of 160 or 180 is safe, it would not meet the requirements of a rare steak. What is the most likely cause of wheezing and hives? A. Norovirus. B. Hepatitis A. C. Shigella SPP. D. Food allergies. The correct answer is D. Food allergies. Food allergies are the most likely cause of wheezing and hives. The most dangerous temperature zone for storing prepared food is A. 32 degrees Fahrenheit to 100 degrees Fahrenheit. B. 41 degrees Fahrenheit to 135 degrees Fahrenheit. C. Above freezing. D. Above 50 degrees Fahrenheit. The correct answer is B. 41 degrees Fahrenheit to 135 degrees Fahrenheit. This is the defined temperature range at which bacteria is mostly likely to grow, causing food spoilage at a higher rate than at any other temperature range. Which of the following is not true of hand washing? A. Hand scrubbing should take place for at least 10 to 15 seconds. B. Using either a hand dryer or paper towel to dry hands is acceptable. C. Antibacterial soap must be used to wash hands. D. Hot water should be used to wash hands. The correct answer is C. Antibacterial soap must be used to wash hands. While antibacterial soap can be used, it is not a must for effective hand washing. Mike cut his finger at work 2 days ago and now is oozing and infected. What should he do? A. Tell a manager about the finger and not work in direct contact with food. B. Go to the urgent care center immediately. C. Place a Band-Aid, antibacterial ointment, and finger cot over his affected finger. D. Place a Band-Aid, finger cot, and glove over his affected finger/hand. The correct answer is A. Tell a manager about the finger and not work in direct contact with food. Those with infected injuries should not work around food because of the risk of contamination. Because the injury occurred at work and could compromise the health and safety of others, it should also be reported to the manager. While Mike's injury may require treatment, that level of urgency was not conveyed in the question and is therefore not the best choice. Where should ground fish be stored in a cooler? A. Above ready-to-eat food. B. Below pork roasts. C. Above shellfish. D. Below ground poultry. The correct answer is B. Below pork roasts. Ground fish should be stored below pork roasts in a cooler. What method should never be used to thaw food? A. Cook the item. B. Microwave the item. C. Place the item on a prep counter. D. Place the item in a cooler. The correct answer is C. Place the item on a prep counter. Placing the item on a prep counter should never be used as a method to thaw food. What should food service operators do to prevent the spread of hepatitis A? A. Freeze fish for 36 hours before serving. B. Purchase mushrooms from approved, reputable suppliers. C. Cook food to minimum internal temperatures. D. Exclude staff with jaundice from the operation. The correct answer is D. Exclude staff with jaundice from the operation. To prevent the spread of hepatitis A, exclude staff with jaundice from the operation. To wash hands properly, a food handler must first A. Scrub hands and arms vigorously. B. Apply soap. C. Use a single-use paper towel to dry hands. D. Wet hands and arms. The correct answer is D. Wet hands and arms. The first step to washing hands properly is to wet hands and arms. What is the third step in cleaning and sanitizing items in a three-compartment sink? A. Rinsing. B. Air drying. C. Sanitizing. D. Washing. The correct answer is A. Rinsing. Rinsing is the third step in cleaning and sanitizing items in a three-compartment sink. TCS food reheated for hot holding must reach what temperature? A. 145 degrees 63 degrees Celsius for 15 seconds. B. 155 degrees 68 degrees Celsius for 15 seconds. C. 165 degrees 74 degrees Celsius for 15 seconds. D. 135 degrees 57 degrees Celsius for 15 seconds. The correct answer is C. 165 degrees 74 degrees Celsius for 15 seconds. TCS food requires time and temperature controls to prevent the growth of microorganisms and the production of toxins. TCS food reheated for hot holding must reach 165 degrees 74 degrees Celsius for 15 seconds. How many seconds does an iodine sanitizer solution need to be in contact with the object being sanitized? A. 45. B. 60. C. 30. D. 15. The correct answer is C. 30. An iodine sanitizer solution needs to be in contact with the object being sanitized for 30 seconds. Which of the following would not be considered part of good hygiene in food handling? A. Using a paper towel to open the bathroom door after washing your hands. B. Using hand sanitizer when you can't wash your hands. C. Using soap to lather your arms and hands. D. Drying your hands with a paper towel after washing them. The correct answer is B. Using hand sanitizer when you can't wash your hands. Using hand sanitizer is not a substitute for hand washing when handling food. All the other answer choices are considered to be good food handling practices. Which two labels should be on every package of stored food? A. Potential allergies and expiration, use by date. B. Name of the food and expiration, use by date. C. Ingredients and expiration, use by date. D. Name of food and potential allergies. The correct answer is B. Name of the food and expiration, use by date. Every container of stored food should be labeled with the name of the food and its expiration date. Olivia notices a small box of frozen chicken breasts on the counter that have been left out of the freezer and have began to thaw. Which action should she take? A. Stick them back in the freezer. B. Cook them to a temperature over 135. C. Tell the manager. D. Leave them as someone may have left them out to thaw. The correct answer is C. Tell the manager. The safest action for Olivia to take is to inform a manager. Leaving the chicken, cooking it, or sticking it back in a freezer are not safe options as the chicken may now be harboring bacterial growth. If a food contact surface is in constant use, how often should it be cleaned and sanitized? A. Every 6 hours. B. Every 2 hours. C. Every 8 hours. D. Every 4 hours. The correct answer is D. Every 4 hours. If a food contact surface is in constant use, it should be cleaned and sanitized every 4 hours.